Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Shubh. I'm really happy to see you here. On this channel, we learn English through simple and practical stories from daily life. You improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence step by step. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. Your support helps this channel grow. Now, let's begin today's story. Today, I am going to the vegetable market with my mother. Through this story, we will learn vegetable names, useful sentences, and real-life conversations. It is a bright and sunny morning. I'm getting ready in my room. My mother calls me. "Shubh, are you ready?" I reply, "Yes, Mom, I am almost ready. We need to buy vegetables for the week." She says, "Yes, we need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, and some other things." I ask, "Can you tell me again? What vegetables do we need?" She answers, "We need tomatoes for salad, potatoes for curry, onions for daily cooking, and carrots for soup." I smile and say, "And cucumbers? I like cucumbers." She laughs, "Yes, we will buy cucumbers too." Then I ask, "Are we walking or taking the bus?" She says, "We are walking. The market is not far." I reply, "That's good. Walking is healthy." Before leaving, she asks, "Do you have your bag?" "Yes, Mom, I have my bag." "And do you have some money?" "Yes, Mom." "Good. Lock the door, please." "Sure, the door is locked. Let's go." As we walk, I say, "I like walking with you. We can talk on the way." She asks, "What is your favorite vegetable?" I say, "My favorite vegetable is carrot. It is crunchy and sweet." "And which vegetable do you dislike?" I say, "I don't like bitter gourd. It tastes very bitter." She says, "Many people don't like it, but it is healthy." After a few minutes, we reach the market. It is busy. Many people are shopping. The market is colorful and full of fresh vegetables. A vendor says, "Good morning, fresh tomatoes today." We reply, "Good morning. How much for 1 kilogram?" He says, 200 rupees. "Okay, give us 1 kilogram, please." The tomatoes look fresh and juicy. I pay the money. Next, we buy potatoes. "How much are the potatoes?" I ask. The seller replies, 150 per kilogram. We will take 2 kilograms. Then we move to onions. "Onions are 250 per kilogram," the seller says. "Give us 1 kilogram of onions and ½ kilogram of garlic." After that, we buy carrots. "Fresh carrots," the vendor calls out. "Give us 1 kilogram, please." The carrots are bright orange and shiny. I ask my mother, "Why do prices change sometimes?" She explains, "Prices depend on the season. Some vegetables grow in summer, some in winter. That is why prices go up and down." Now I understand the meaning of season. We also buy spinach and coriander leaves. Then we move to the fruit section. "How much for bananas?" I ask. 1 dozen for 200. "Okay, we will take 1 dozen and 1 kilogram of apples." The bags are heavy now. As we walk home, I say, "I enjoyed today. I learned vegetable names, prices, and how to talk to vendors." My mother smiles. "Learning is everywhere. You just need to observe." And yes, I practiced my English too. That is the end of today's story. Through this simple market visit, we learned names of vegetables, useful daily conversation, how to ask about prices, the meaning of season, and real-life English sentences. This is how you improve English naturally, through real situations. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to English with Shubh for more practical English stories. Take care of your health. Eat fresh vegetables. Keep learning. Keep growing. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.